I've been using OPI nail polish for years, and just this past year it's done like, I think it's damaged my nails. Did OPI kill my nails? Watch and see. Kim Townsel here. Thanks for watching. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share this video if appropriate. You can see how the polish always wears off on the ends like this because the ends are splitting and peeling. This is what the fingernails look like with no polish and no buffing. Pretty bad. It's March 2018. I just took the fingernail polish off of my fingernails. And I obviously haven't groomed them yet, but look how awful they look. You can see that the fingernail polish is not all the way coming off. And my nails are split, which I've always had a problem with that. But usually only on these two fingers. Never all of my fingernails. And I take biotin like twice a day. They're just in really sad shape. I'm at the end of the good use of the OPI nail polish. So I guess I'm going to get something else, even though I love the colors. I'm going to get something else and try it for a month and see if this improves. 7 months later, this is what they look like. My fingernails are finally looking better. They don't look great, but oh my goodness, they look so much better than they did. You can see there's far less damage. There's still some splitting. They're still wanting to peel a little bit on the ends, but nothing like they were. I used to only use OPI nail polish, nail lacquer, for years. I mean years. And then I switched to Sally Hansen gel. I tried this on there, which normally works wonders on my fingernails. I took biotin. I tried the hair, skin, and nails. And I even tried weeks and weeks and weeks of this NailTek Level 4 treatment. I have videos up about that showing you how it didn't work for me. And you can see much of the product that I used. And the only thing that really worked, none of this worked. The only thing that really worked was what one of my viewers suggested, was just not having anything on my nails for months. It was hard because they looked so horrible that I had to wear them like this, but I think I'm finally ready to start putting some polish back on there. I'm thinking I'm going to put a coat of this on there since they're so improved now, and then put the Sally Hansen gel, which I really like. I really do like this color. Stuck. It's been a while. They do look better already. I'm going to try a coat of the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel. I really like this color and I like this polish. It stays on well. Look at this brush. Isn't that cool? My nails still are by no means in good shape. And I am not good at this. When I was a little girl, I used to lie for my mom to paint my fingernails because she did it perfectly. And I never could get it on right. You'd think that I'd be a prime candidate to go have manicures and pedicures. But while I enjoy them, I just always find other ways to spend my time and money. When I was teaching college, one year my nails were actually, I guess, quite long, and I did take the time to polish them every morning. And one of my students made the comment that he said, "You obviously care about your nails," which he said this in front of the whole class. At the time, I was like, was that a criticism? Was it a compliment? Maybe neither. Maybe just an observation. Maybe it was a message to me that I don't have to put a qualifier of good or bad on things. Some people are just making observations. Yeah, see, I'm not good at this. But the polish is good. Thanks for watching my video about the OPI Cajun my fingernails. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share this video if appropriate. Let me know in the comments below what has helped your nails or what has hurt your nails. And if you have time before you leave YouTube, watch one of these videos. Thank you very much. Let's help each other out to be better consumers. Bye.